Ecco qua, prima pausa, già dopo un'ora e mezza sono portato da mangiare, quello che vedete qua, Alessandro, con la coffee. Yes please.
Is there a crack? It's no good.
Is crack. Ecco, vedi come si dice.
Thank you. Me, swap one of these for you. You actually get more this way as well.
It's possible?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you. Grazie. Un bel espressino. Ecco qua, è arrivato l'espresso, come potete vedere. Espresso napoletano fatto con la moca. Alessandro invece ci mangia la tazza rotta. Ora non so neanche se mi sente, però va bene. Andiamo avanti, tanto manca ancora. Siamo in mezzo all'oceano, come potete vedere è tutto coperto. Aspetta che si chiude il diaframma. Però chiuditi. Non si chiude. Ciao ciao.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Los Angeles Airport, where the local time here is just coming up to 10 to 1 in the afternoon.
Porco giù, mi cade
Please
tutto,
remain
mi
seated with
cade.
your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off.
Travel my way, take the highway, that's the best.
Ecco qua, Faldone tutto a posto, possiamo andare. Welcome to Route 66.
Siamo sulla freeway direzione Esperia.
Freeway Santa Monica. Si chiama Freeway Santa Monica.
Come si vede si va a passo molto lento.
Non di uomo, questo è zoppo.
Sullo sfondo LA, downtown. Il nostro pilota Mario.
Buongiorno, faccio le fotografie io ai riflessi, io sono specialista ai riflessi.
Come on, get your kicks on Route 66.
My favorite radio station plays Johnny's boy named Sue. 2 days to destination, enough to make me blue. Another road to nowhere, another nameless town, another all-night cafe, enough to bring you down. Like a lonesome rider on a beam of light, it's an endless journey through the night. There'll be miles and miles that I'll be on my own, but for sure tomorrow I know I'll be driving home. The diesel's my companion, the only friend I got. Enough for me to lean on, sometimes it means a lot. Like a lonesome rider on a beam of light, it's an endless There'll be miles and miles that I'll be on my own. But for sure tomorrow I know I'll be driving home. Tonight my shift is over. Tonight my time is done. I cash my check tomorrow and I'll be on the run. Like a lonesome rider on a beam of light. It's an endless journey through the night. There'll be miles and miles that I'll be on my own. But for sure tomorrow I know I'll be driving home. I'll be driving home. I'll be driving home.
E 27?